Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to set the time and date on your Casio A163W. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy these kind of videos, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, like the video, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. So guys, in order to set the time, we will first use the mode button. So we will press it once, twice, and for the third time. Now, in order to be able to select the hours, the minutes, and the date, we will be using the button on the top left side. So if we press it once, we will be able to select the hours. Now, in order to adjust the hours, we will use the button on the right. And you can go and select 1, 2, 3. If you press and hold, it will actually move faster. That is very useful when you set the minutes. Now, let's make it 5. And if we press it one more time, it will go to the minutes. Now, as mentioned, you can press and hold in order to go to 50, let's say. As you get closer, you can stop and then go one by one. Now, if you also want to change the day of the week and the day of the month, you can press the button one more time. Here you will be able to select the month. So you can see that we have 12. So you can select, let's say, 6. 7, 8, 9. So this is September. Now, if you press it one more time, you will be able to change the day of the month. So we can press and hold in order to move faster. Then after you have done that, you can press it one more time and you will be able to select the day of the week. So let's make it Friday. Now, after you have set everything, you need to press the mode button just one more time and you are set. So as you can see, we have the time set, so the hours and the minutes, the day of the month, and also the day of the week. So guys, this was the quick tutorial on how to set the time and date on your Casio A163W. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.